corners first. No bananas.
This bucket hates me.
For greatness.
I was testing softness.
Hands, not toes.
More symmetrical.
Less chaos. That's not a bed, buddy. My arms are screaming. And the beam is... You saw that, M12? Achoo! I'm making modern art. Draw. Less drama. Mud me again, I dare you.
Repeat.
Door rejected me.
Look, I'm a window.
Acceptable. Porch beats. Finally, precision. Masterpiece wall! I thought it was a snake. Oh, there was a snake!
It was a strength test.
Welcome to
I roll, therefore I am. Cow.
Glow up complete.
I fit, mostly. Together. On three. Shiny porch. No mud toes.
Safe. Stop shaking it.
Straight live.
Any words, M10?
Stop, Steve. M12. Miracle. Don't boop the lights.
Finish complete.
No more measuring. VIP own very important porch.
Slippery. After photos, M12.
serious faces. Now.
He did it again.
Fine, keep the sign.
Really? M12. Wiping solves everything.
Good night.
Subscribe for more builds.